Lightning ball.
I think I could ever get bored of it if I getting that. That's Wes. Oh, Wes.